Now you can see when I turn that on, you can still see a little bit of the fluorescence.
Yeah.
Because there's UV coming from the sun, some rocks some will fluoresce all day, every day. But the sun's much brighter than this, although you can still see a little bit with this light on and the sun out. You can't see any fluorescence, but it's fluorescing all day, every day. You can't see it. The shame is when the sun goes down out of the way, there's no UV there to make them glow anyway, unless somebody's got a torch. Even its colour. So that's tenebrescence, and it's not fluorescent. Talking about essences, you guys seem interested, so I'll show you this. Have a look at this. Can you see that?
So what are you scratching it with? Just an ordinary nail there?
Yeah, just a bit of anything will do. Some things you can even do it with your fingernail and it will work. That's called triboluminescence.
Okay.
And you'd have to Google it. It's not really well understood.
And what's that stone called then?
This is a bit of sphalerite.
Sphalerite.
Sphalerite from Horn Silver Mine in Utah, USA.
Okay.
Yeah. And you might think that those are sparks. Can you think of a way of proving they're not sparks?
Put some petrol near it.
No, do it underwater.
It still works?
If you do it underwater, it still works.
Wow.
Yes.
As if it's not a cool enough trick already, it can do it underwater.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, but if you let go, yeah, I know. Try to press the button at the top. What? There's a button up there.
Yeah, I'll chuck one of these on you. But just like just take them off at the bottom where you climb it. Yeah.
Yeah, it is quirky.
Yeah, chuck that off. And then